how does pH control work? So we use pH probe inside the bioreactor, inside the culture, and this measures it in real time. When the algae grows, they consume carbon dioxide out of the water, and to buffer this and maintain a stable pH and also feed carbon to the culture, we add CO2 automatically through our air filter. So it's sterilized on the way in, making sure that it's not a source of contamination, and it also maintains a perfect pH. So if you want to be at 8.2, maybe a diatom growing there, you're able to maintain exactly that. And so our pH doesn't have wild swings, and realistically, pH is one of the biggest issues, if you don't control it, to cause a crash. So having that stable control really gives us a much more reliable product out of the bioreactor.
No.